Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we are at a dairy farm. And my little cousin's wondering what the hell am I doing? Sahib, say hello.
Hello.
Okay, anyway, so we're at a dairy farm right now. Anyways, I would have been doing a face reveal actually, but I look horrible today. But I want to see how I put the mirror on. Just gonna see how I look. Oops, sorry, you can't see, guys.
Extra hot, please.
Okay, my friend's right now ordering a cow. Oh god, these are actually super soft.
Hot chocolate? One hot chocolate.
Maybe that'll work. Cold chocolate and then it's toasty.
Milkshake, so large or small?
Ordering is the boringest bit. Look at that fireplace. It looks like everywhere we go there's something.
Okay, so I've got 3 cappuccinos, 2 hot chocolates and a milkshake.
Also my phone comes back soon, so I'll come back to when we're actually gonna beat the animals, okay? Well, actually, you know what? That'll be in a different video, okay? This will just be like the intro bit, okay? See ya.